This is the ultimate treat. A s'mores dip made in a cast iron skillet, loaded with melted chocolate, peanut butter cups, and toasted marshmallow. This is a s'mores dip you can enjoy, no campfire needed. This recipe is not only simple to make, but it's less messy than traditional s'mores. It actually comes from 5 Heart Home, and she says it's her go-to party dip. So you're gonna start by preheating your oven to 450 degrees with your cast iron skillet in there because you want your skillet to get super hot, because we're actually going to coat the entire pan with a little bit of oil. You could also use butter. The oil is what's gonna prevent all that chocolate and marshmallow from sticking to the edges. So we're gonna start with our first layer of chocolate chips, 1½ cups. Just pour them all in. Oh my gosh, the chocolate is already melting. Next, we're gonna add our peanut butter cups, and you heard me right, when I go camping and make s'mores, I always put a big Reese's peanut butter cup right in between my graham cracker and my marshmallow. And as you're placing your peanut butter cups, you wanna be super careful because this pan is really hot. We're gonna put 10 peanut butter cups, making 1 layer. Now we're gonna top this with marshmallows, and I've already cut them in half. Now the reason why we do this is because if we put an entire marshmallow on top, the top would burn, but then everything else wouldn't melt. So this helps it give that perfect ratio. I love s'mores so much because it reminds me of going camping with my friends, hanging out around the campfire, laughing, having fun. And it's also one of those things you don't make all the time, so it's such a special treat when I do it a couple times a year. But now that I have this dip recipe, I can make it anytime I want. Oh my goodness, this smells so good, I can hardly wait. So now we're gonna pop it back into the oven for 5 to 7 minutes at 450 degrees. And we just want our chocolate to be nice and melted, for those marshmallows to get really toasted and golden brown, so make sure you keep an eye on it. So after you take the dip out, you wanna make sure you let it rest for about 5 minutes and let your guests know that this skillet is hot. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to try it. This dip is so yummy, and seriously, ever since I started adding my Reese's peanut butter cups to my s'mores, I can't imagine it without them. Now, as far as presentation, you gotta serve your dip with some graham crackers. You can even add the cinnamon ones, and for fun, little Teddy Grahams. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys love s'mores as much as I do, let me know. I'm always looking for fun combinations. We might actually feature your recipe on the next episode. I'm Brandy, I'll see you next time. Bye.